think the reason you can't think deeply anymore isn't what you think it is. It's not that you're distracted or lazy or your attention span is fried beyond repair. I mean, that may be true, but more importantly, it's that you've slowly stopped finishing your own thoughts. Like, notice this. You watch a video, you feel something about it. Maybe you agree, maybe you don't. Maybe you even type a comment like you're doing right now. But if someone actually asked you, okay, but why do you think that? You'd probably pause for a second and then start buffering. Because what you had wasn't really an opinion. It was more like a reaction you borrowed. It's like tasting someone else's food and saying, yeah, that's fire, without ever knowing what's in it. And over time, you just get used to that. Someone gives you a conclusion. You accept it or reject it instantly. But the actual thinking part, where you sit with an idea, question it, stretch it, break it, rebuild it, that part just disappeared. And now, most of what's in your head isn't even clear thoughts. It's just vibes, half-formed ideas floating around, never really examined, just existing there like tabs you never close. And the reason they stay like that is simple. You never force them to finish. One thing that completely exposed this for me was trying to write down a single thought properly. I mean, not journaling or anything that deep, just picking one belief and trying to explain it in one clean paragraph. And I'm gonna keep it real. I couldn't. I'd repeat myself, contradict myself, or just stop halfway because I didn't actually know what I was trying to say. That's when it made sense. The thought was never complete. It just felt complete in my head. Writing forces you to close that loop. You think something, you write it, you see the gaps, you fix it, and only then it becomes something real. So it's not that you can't think deeply anymore, you just haven't been finishing your thoughts. Try it once, I mean right now, and tell me how it went. Just one idea. Just sit and complete it. It's weirdly uncomfortable, but that's exactly how you know you're actually thinking again.